Alright guys, here's our last video. It's on mitosis. I just taught you about meiosis, and that's to make sex cells. This is to make more cells, more identical cells for your somatic or your body cells. So that's anything like a blood cell, a skin cell, an eyeball cell, any cell in your body you need to replicate. So this is a diploid cell, and you can tell because we've got mom's and dad's genetic information for number 4. So it's a diploid. So we're going to make an identical cell. So the phases are: I passed my algebra test with a C. Interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis. I passed my algebra test with a C. So we have interphase, where the cell's going to grow. That's G1. Then S phase, you're going to make identical copies of your chromosomes. This should look awfully familiar because we did this in meiosis as well. So you're going to make identical copies. G2, the cell grows again. Then you're going to go into, so you've done the I, now you have to pass. So that's prophase. That's when the chromosomes are going to condense and coil up so you can actually see them as chromosomes and the nucleus breaks down. Metaphase, so I passed my metaphase, that's for middle. So now your chromosomes are going to line up in the middle on the equatorial plate. If I can fit them all on here. So this is metaphase. So I passed my algebra test. They're going to be pulled apart. Telophase, the cleavage furrow starts to form, and then cytokinesis. You have two completely different cells, and I want you to notice that they are still they're still diploid, because you still have both pieces of genetic information from mom and from dad. So I passed my algebra test with a C. And you're going to start with a diploid cell, and you're going to get a diploid cell. Now that you've learned about both, I want to show you the differences between mitosis and meiosis. So in mitosis metaphase, the chromosomes line up pretty much north to south. And so when they split, you get diploids, pink and blue ones. Now, in metaphase 1 of meiosis, the homologous pairs are together. So when they separate, then you actually get a haploid. So that's the difference between the two.